Alright, so when I first bought this Civic about a month ago, it needed a new muffler. So I went ahead and ordered a new muffler for it. Muffler showed up. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got new hardware to do the install. A new gasket here. This must be the new muffler. It's got a 5-year warranty. Actually looks pretty decent. The tools we're going to be using today, I'm going to use a cordless impact by Ryobi, 1/2-inch drive. We're going to use an impact socket. I'm not sure what size these bolts are yet, probably like a 12mm or 14mm. The new donut gasket, the new hardware, and in case I need new rubber hangers maybe. This shouldn't be a bad install. It's pretty common for a car like this. This car has 213,000 miles. It's a basic Honda Civic. The website I like to use is if you need to order exhaust parts or find your exhaust parts, the best diagram to find out what parts you need is to use Walker Online. If you use that website, I'll put the link in the description below for the website. You type in your year, your make, your model, and it breaks down every single part that you need, from the gaskets to the bolts to the little springs to the, if you need the muffler, if you need the middle pipe, if you need the front pipe, the converter. It's just a great website to use. It's a great tool. It'll give you all the part numbers. Then you can take those part numbers and put them into like Amazon's website or on eBay's website, and you can see like what parts you can choose, like what manufacturers of parts off those part numbers for you. But anyways, so we're gonna do the install on this Civic today. What I'm gonna have to do first is I'm gonna jack the car up. I'm going to then take the rear wheel off just so you can see easier. We'll get the camera set up then, and we'll zip the 2 old bolts off, and we'll put the new muffler on. Shouldn't be that bad at all. Alright, now that we got the wheel off, here you can see, here's the old muffler pipe. I don't know if you can see back here, but this is where it actually broke off. The muffler then fell off. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put some WD-40 just on these bolts here, and then I'm going to zip this one off. We'll get off the little old piece, and we'll put the new muffler on then. Well, here's the old piece. As you can see, we just zipped off. They're 12mm, so all you need is a 12mm impact socket. I sprayed WD-40, zipped it off. There's what the old piece looks like. And obviously the muffler has this already attached to it, so we'll zip the next one back on. Make sure the donut gasket's in there, and we'll be good. So what you want to do is, I took a screwdriver and I was able to pry off the old donut gasket. Here's the new donut gasket. You just want to put the new donut gasket kind of on there. And it's going to get smashed down once you bolt the exhaust up to it. That's what's going to seal for the new muffler we're putting on there. There, I'll see if I can. Clean surface there. Here's the old crappy gasket coming off. All right, well, hopefully we got all this on video here, but I ended up using hand tools. Just the impact was too big to fit back in there, so I just used a 12mm and a hand ratchet. Exhaust gasket's in there. Everything looks like it's tightened down. Here's the moment of truth. We'll start it up and see if it sounds any better. Sounds completely quiet now. I'm impressed. All right, now we just gonna put the wheel back on, lower it back down, clean up our mess. Not too bad of a project. I will. I have this on this number 2 for speed. Number 2 gives it like 100 foot-pounds of torque, so I know that it's 100 foot-pounds of torque. But still, after a day of driving, I'm going to re-torque them with the torque wrench.
That should be that. Clean up the glass.
And I'd say we got ourselves a new muffler installed. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. The muffler I think was like 99 bucks. Roughly 10-15 minute job to do. Just a basic toolkit would probably work for you just fine. I used a jack. So not hard at all. I'll put a link in the description below. Like I said, it's got a 5-year warranty with it, so I'm cool with that. 5 years from now, I'll probably put 60,000 miles on this car. But I appreciate it, guys. Hopefully if you have a Honda Civic, like the 06 through 11, hopefully this video helps you out. And thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.